Welcome to Camella Trece's virtual site tour. Camella Trece is located along Governor's Drive in Barangay Cabuco, Trece Martires City. It is the first-class city in Cavite. The city has a first-class income classification. Majority are from the revenue of the city's real property taxes. Trece has higher elevation compared to its neighboring areas such as Dasmariñas, General Trias, and Tanza. We ensure your family's safety with 24/7 roving guards, high perimeter fences, and CCTV cameras. The community has a total of 40 hectares residential lots with future commercial developments. Also, it is the community with distinguished pet park. Camella Trece boasts its serene and peaceful surroundings, making it a piece of Baguio located at the heart of Cavite. It is known to have a slopey and terrain landscape that makes Camella Trece unique among any other community in Cavite. It is also known to be the uphill and downhill panorama series. Camella Trece is near everyday families' conveniences such as Walter Mart, SM Trece, and the provincial government office. Camella Trece is accessible via Cavitex through the provincial buses in PITX. Watch your investment grow at Camella Trece.